today I have a wonderful thing to share with you. So I thought, why not to record it and to share with you in this video. The thing is as we all know that we have a lot of hobbies. Every person has different kind of hobbies. Some people like enjoying, some people like playing games, some people like watching movies, some people like writing, some people like reading, some people like adventuring or different kind of things. Everyone has different kind of hobby. So when it comes to interview, when we go in interview, and when it comes to talk about ourselves, when people ask us what are your hobbies, and we answer them, my hobby is singing songs, my hobby is reading new books, my hobby is meeting new people, my hobby is like teaching, my hobby is learning something new. So these are the hobby that we carry with us, like keep in our mind, and we share with others that these are my hobbies. We like follow those hobbies. So you know what, that if it is like that and we enjoy that thing, so whatever our hobby is, we will enjoy it. So if it is a hobby, we are going to enjoy it. If it's not hobby, then we don't enjoy it. We don't like it. We take it as a common thing, or we take it as a difficult thing, or we take it unnecessary or whatever. But if we have these as hobbies, we like it, and we enjoy all those things. The question comes that can we make English as a hobby? We can add one more thing in our hobby, and that is that we can say that my hobby is learning English. Yeah, learning English is my hobby. We can say like this, learning English is my hobby. So when we say like this, that learning English is my hobby, it becomes part of our life whenever we get free time, whenever we are free, whenever we want to enjoy something or that we want to learn something new. We can say it's enjoying, learning English is kind of enjoyment for me, it's kind of a hobby for me. So from today, you have to add one thing in your hobbies, and that is learning English. As if I talk about me, it has been 10 years. I enjoy learning English all the time. I enjoy learning new things in English. I enjoy it. It is kind of my hobby. It's not kind of a thing that people think that you are English language trainer, that's why you're able to speak English, and you teach English, that's why just you are good at English language and all. But I say them that I was not born as an English speaker. I was not born as an English language trainer. I learnt it. I made it a part of my life. I enjoyed it. Alright, I made it a kind of a hobby. So in the same way, we all have to think that I have to make it like a hobby. It is my hobby. I like enjoying learning. I like enjoying English. I like learning English. Well, I do a lot of things in it because I enjoy it. I love it. So there are so many other things. There are so many other hobbies. In the same way, we can make English as a hobby also. So from today, I want to add one more thing in your life, in your hobbies, in the list of your hobbies. You have to say that learning English is my hobby. Learning English is my hobby. You have to say this thing from today. So when you will say this thing, it will become a kind of enjoyment for you. So what is in your hobbies list? So from today, you have to add it in your hobby list. If you are a serious English learner, and if you don't want to learn, if you don't have desire, you have nothing to do with English language, that's okay. But if it is very important for you, you want to grow in your career, or you are doing something which is connected to English language, it should be like your hobby. So from today, you have to say one thing, that learning English is my hobby. And when you will say this thing, it will be in your list of hobbies. So you will enjoy it and you will learn it easily. You will go ahead in this. So this is the thing I wanted to share in this video. These are the kind of tips and techniques that we can improve our English. So keep learning, keep growing, and do something better every single day.